Welcome to the Auto Specs. Kratos Defense and Security Solutions is pushing the boundaries of unmanned aerial technology with its upcoming hypersonic drone, designed to reach speeds exceeding Mach 5. This development marks a significant leap in drone warfare and surveillance, offering rapid response capabilities for military applications. While detailed specifications remain undisclosed, Kratos' focus is on affordability, aiming to make the drone a cost-effective alternative to existing hypersonic systems. The company has also invested in a state-of-the-art payload integration facility in Indiana to support testing and development. Given Kratos' expertise in UAVs like the XQ-58A Valkyrie and UTP-22 Mako, this new drone is expected to feature advanced stealth, high-speed maneuverability, and cutting-edge avionics. The hypersonic platform will likely support both reconnaissance and strike missions, offering strategic advantages in contested environments. With a recent $1.45 billion defense contract for hypersonic testing, Kratos is positioning itself as a key player in next-generation aerial warfare. As more details emerge, this drone